Could we wake up one day to find that a super-intelligent AI system has quietly emerged amongst us? This question has intrigued scientists, policymakers, and AI enthusiasts alike. But a recent study presented at a machine learning conference is challenging this notion, offering some reassurance. The study delves into the concept of the sudden emergence of artificial intelligence superintelligence. It suggests that claims of such emergence in AI models are artifacts arising from how these systems are tested. The researchers conducted tests on different sizes of language models. What they found was intriguing. The trend of performance varied between models when looking at absolute accuracy. However, when considering the number of correctly predicted digits in the answer, the trend was less extreme. The researchers didn't stop there. They also examined the probabilities that the models placed on each answer. And guess what? Signs of emergence disappeared. This led the researchers to conclude that most aspects of language models are predictable. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it has significant implications for AI safety and policy. Unwarranted fear of AI superintelligence could lead to stifling regulations or divert attention from more pressing risks. The findings of this study offer a counterweight to such fears, reminding us that the development of superintelligent AI is not as unpredictable as we might have thought. In summary, this study challenges the notion that a superintelligent AI could sneak up on us. It suggests that such emergence is more likely an artifact of how we test these systems. The performance trends of language models are less extreme than initially perceived, and the probabilities placed on each answer do not indicate sudden emergence. This offers reassurance that most aspects of AI models are predictable. So while the concept of superintelligent AI is fascinating and indeed a field of immense potential, it appears we can rest easy, knowing that it's not likely to sneak up on us. The study serves as a reassurance, a reminder to focus on more immediate and tangible risks, rather than getting lost in the apprehension of an unpredictable AI future.